The U.S. Green Building Council is coming to Toronto with all of their delegates to the Green Build Convention, and it's a real opportunity for us in Toronto to showcase not only our skills, not only our green building technologies, but also just the overall scale of the marketplace here and how dynamic it is.
The internet and the underlying networks are really becoming a critical part of everything that we do in our lives. And the IP enablement of communications and media, but also home automation and energy systems, really starts to drive and create a role for IT in the development of condominiums. And with Tridel, we're really kind of leading the way on creating innovative home environments for next generation lives experiences. We're working with Tridel to really kind of outfit the EcoSuite, kind of the latest technologies where we see next generation living to be, where we integrate how you use the environmental controls from lighting to air conditioning and your blinds, but also combine it with your media, your TV, your radio, and your video communications with either the lobby or your friends around the world. We really see here the network become kind of the foundation for changing every aspect of living in a Tridel home.
The benefits of enabling a suite with IP, it allows all the subsystems within the suite, such as HVAC, lighting, the door control systems, even monitoring energy in the suite, onto a common communications infrastructure.
The homeowner can log into the system remotely, very securely, on a PC or a mobile device and be able to turn their house back on their way home from work, for example, or be able to check systems from their office to make sure that lighting was turned off and the HVAC system was set back when they left for the day. So Tridel chose Cisco Control4 system for the EcoSuite primarily because of our reputations in our industry. So Cisco obviously with the background in networking infrastructure, and Control4 with the background in control of buildings and homes all over the world.
Tridel's EcoSuite presents an excellent opportunity for Tower Labs and our innovation partner to test their technology in a real-world situation. What we're doing with PowerPanel is installing a small system on the roof of the penthouse, underneath which Tridel is hosting the EcoSuite. And we're going to be tying the hot water and the electricity, which is produced from the sun, on the roof directly into that suite.
The main features and functions of PowerPanel as a cogeneration panel are to produce thermal energy and electrical energy at the same time. By doing that, PowerPanel produces higher energy density on a rooftop, therefore providing more energy density in a smaller footprint, getting more thermal and electrical than any other panel available on the market.
The advantage of the EcoSuite for us and for PowerPanel is that no one's going to actually be living in this suite for a couple of months, so we have the opportunity to test it and run our measurement and verification program without disturbing anybody.
The whole team has been working hard to get this project ready for the Green Build Tour, from starting from our construction site staff right down to every one of the trades that have been involved in the suite. We are currently managing anywhere from 20 to 30 people at any given time during the construction process. The flooring has an interesting story behind it. It's recycled furniture, and we had Rosewood do the installation, and the design of it and the selection was done through our in-house interior designer.
A lot of our furniture and our accessories are made from recycled materials, made locally. All of our fabrics used on our furniture are either again from recycled content or pass the eco fabric test, which means there are no added chemicals.
One of the unique features of the ventilation system is we've installed an ERV, which is an energy recovery ventilator system, and it's controlled on a separate control device that draws fresh air from the outside that circulates it through the suite. That is also provided from Venmar, which is the supplier of the unit, and it's a feature that we provide in all our suites and in all our projects that Tridel has built. Some of the water-saving features that we offer in the suite is the toilets. They are 3-liter holding reservoir tanks, which are also low flow, which is supplied by Water Matrix. We have faucets, which are supplied by Delta, that are low flow as well, and the GPM flows are anywhere from 1.0 to 1.5. We just finished the flooring, and we also have our kitchen contractor, which is in the process of finishing up all the millwork, as well as all the cabinetry for the kitchen and the bathrooms.
So Urpina used FSC certified woods, water-based stains, and eco-friendly particle core to manufacture this kitchen.
From the project management side, to do an actual LEED building, it's not harder, it's the learning process that's involved in understanding the different features and the different functionalities of the building in order to meet those requirements.
What Tower Labs hopes to accomplish in the EcoSuite is very similar to what Tridel hopes to accomplish in the EcoSuite, and that is to provide a showcase for the next generation of technologies that we will have in our home over the next several years.